Hey there everybody, this is Jonathan from StarView Tech Support, and today we're going to show you how to maintain and store your Star Lithium battery for the best performance. If you've been following the channel for very long, we hope you've noticed that we are adding content on a regular basis. So we hope that you consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to maintain your battery and know how to store it, and also other things that we're adding on a regular basis. So we hope you will subscribe. For the sake of discussion, we're going to break up our videos into two different categories. One is going to be standard and one is going to be extraordinary. Today's video is going to be our standard category. The extraordinary circumstances video will be for places that have very high temperature swings, so very high to very low, or they are climates where you have very high temperatures or very low temperatures. We're going to classify those as our extraordinary video scenarios. But today's video, we're going to concentrate just on the standard. For the standard maintenance, all that's needed as far as maintenance is going to be to check the battery cable torque. You'll see that there are two bolts that hold the main terminals on. You will torque those bolts to 105 inch-pounds, and you will do that at 150, then 900, 1800, 2700, and 3600 miles. That's all that's needed as far as maintenance. So as far as cleaning the battery, you'll only want to use a clean, dry rag and just wipe it down. There's no need for water or pressure washing or anything of that nature. You do not want to immerse the battery in water. Only dry cloth or also microfiber cloth is acceptable. Just don't wet the battery. Every 6 months, we recommend that you log onto your Star Lithium app and check for any BMS updates or any updates that are necessary to keep the firmware up to date. So we recommend downloading the Star Lithium app to your smart device and then connecting to your battery so that you can connect it to Wi-Fi. I'm going to include a link. It'll be up here to the top of the screen. That's going to take you to our previous video from last week that shows you how to update your BMS. And the week before that, we had the video that shows you how to download the app to your phone. So most of today's information can be found in your Star Lithium battery leaflet. That is a series of documents that should have been supplied to you when you purchase your vehicle. So those are available from your dealer. In your battery leaflet, you will find information regarding temperatures. And for the typical charging and use, we recommend that you do that between 32 and 95 degrees. However, it can be used, the vehicle can be operated from -4 to 140. We recommend that you do not charge a frozen battery. And the recommended storage temperatures are from 60 to 95 degrees. So like I said, you'll find that there is a lot regarding temperatures in the leaflet, and you will want to pay attention to these temperatures, especially when charging. For optimal conditions, it's recommended that you fully charge your battery before leaving it for an extended period of time. But at the very least, it will help if you pay attention to these simple guidelines. If you plan to leave your battery unattended for less than a month between the temperatures of -4 and 104, we recommend that you charge the battery to at least 40 to 80% charge before doing so. Now, if you plan to leave your battery unattended for less than 6 months between the temperatures of 32 degrees and 77 degrees, then we recommend that you charge the battery between 60 and 80%. So as you can see, the longer that you need to be gone, you'll want to charge your battery up higher. Now, if your battery has been updated, you will have what's called maintenance charging capability. If that's been done, you will be able to plug in your charger and leave it plugged in so that it maintenance charges as you're gone. Even with the battery plugged in to the charger and maintenance charging happening in your battery, if your battery temperature should drop below 32 degrees, then charging will be suspended until it reaches a more favorable temperature. Then the charger will take over and start charging again. Before you leave, you may want to check and make sure that your charger is operating properly before you leave, because if the charger is not operating, then you may come back to a dead battery thinking that it's been charging using the maintenance charging capability. But if the charger is inoperative, you will come back to a dead battery in that instance. Please bear in mind that a full charge on a lithium battery may take 8 or more hours. So you will want to allow enough time to verify that the battery is able to charge fully and that the charger is working to provide you with a full charge before you leave on your trip. So recommended that you take a look, make sure your charger LEDs are lit and that the battery is charging. You can also use your app. That will tell you if the battery is being charged. Come back later and see if you've reached between 40 and 80% charge. Then you'll know at least that the battery and charger are working together to make sure that your battery is charged when you return. We recommend that if you're going to leave your battery for more than 7 days, don't do it when your state of charge in the battery is less than 20%, even at room temperature. Next, we recommend that you do not leave a battery in a high temperature environment of higher than 104 degrees if the battery is at 10% or less. So after returning from a trip, you will want to log on to your Star Lithium app and verify that your battery is fully charged, and then you'll be ready to operate your vehicle. So hopefully we've given you a lot of tips today on how to store your Star Lithium battery in a standard temperature or standard climate environment. We will be coming out with a video soon that will show you how to store your battery in more swinging, where you have large temperature swings, or whether it's high temperature or very low temperature climates. And that'll fill you in on how to store your battery in those climates. So be sure to tune in for that video once it comes out. And that's why at the beginning of the video, I recommended that you subscribe to our channel, because we will be releasing these types of videos that you will want to tune in for to know more about caring for your Star vehicle and how to maintain your Star Lithium battery, charger, the whole gamut of what it takes to maintain and keep one of these vehicles in perfect running condition. So from Star EV Tech Support, we'll let you get back to your day.